Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Today we are going to see solid modeling of truck wheel. So let's go. You can find this drawing PDF in description box. Click on new, give the file name as truck wheel, then click OK. Select here MMNS solid part ABS. Before proceeding, we are going to locate the views in drawing. This is front view, this is right view, and this is top view. According to that, we have to create the model. So we have to create this model by using revolve feature. So we can get the section of this revolve in right view. So we have to select this plane. Just go to revolve feature. In revolve feature, keep in mind, firstly you have to locate your axis of revolution. So draw horizontal axis, this center line. Now we are going to draw this section. For that, take a line, draw a horizontal line here. Then click OK. You will get this revolve shape. Now you just have to cut these circular shapes. Holes. For that, select this plane, select extrude, draw these circles having dimension of 22 mm. And the pitch circle diameter is 86. Angle between these circular holes is 120 degree. Click OK and remove this material. You have to just give round of R3. So select these edges. So here is a round of R2. Yes, we are done with our model. Now we have to just cut the section here. For that, go to View, go to Section, Offset Section, select this surface, draw the line like this. Yes, almost there. We are done with this model. In this way we can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.